The next tool. The next tool. This guy. The angle of the dangle. The angle grinder. We're not sponsored yet. This is a cordless angle grinder. Yeah, it means it's got no cord. When did I get this? I don't know, I've had this one for a long time. Probably when they first came out with the fuel one, I saw it and I wanted it, so I got it because it's super handy. Same thing, it's just convenience. I use the corded one sometimes if I'm doing like a lot of grinding because this thing eats batteries like crazy. Like one of these guys, the 6 amp or whatever, it doesn't last very long in here. I don't know, but it works good. It works really good. You know, the only thing I find is if I'm doing like a cutting edge and buffing them down, if you're really leaning into the thing with like a sand disc or a flappy wheel or whatever, it'll stall. You know, or if you're cutting like heavy plate with it, it'll stall. But that's what I say too. Like I carry the big grinder on the truck for other stuff, you know. When do I use this? When I want to make a quick cut on something. When I want to clean stuff up or you know, clean up you know, a cutting edge or something too, I'll use it. I'll still use it for that. But if it's like a really big one or something, then I'll get the corded. But I use this for pretty much any time you'd need a angle grinder. I use this one instead of my corded. So it's one of those kind of game-changing things. I don't know. Once you have it, you wonder how you lived without it. I do really like it. It's got this weird little filter thingy. I don't know. You probably just should clean it. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Yeah, you can see we're kind of really hard on our stuff. There's always getting in there and stuff, but I guess all that would end up inside. I don't know. Maybe that would protect it, maybe not. Anyway, it has a handle too, which I have off right now because sometimes you want to one-hand it like a danger boy and kind of stick it in somewhere, and, you know, so the handle gets in the way. The handle, you know, increases your safety factor. But the handle's good to use, I guess. I don't know. I don't use it much, I guess. But the guard, always have your guard on. Like guard. Don't look at my modified guard though. Actually, the other, that's kind of interesting because this one came with this big gargantuan guard that covered, like, it was huge and you couldn't get a wheel on or off for whatever reason. I don't know if they gave me the wrong guard when I bought it. It was a huge pain in the ass. I got sick of it one day on a site because I kept having to undo this and pull the whole guard off and then like put the wheel in it was a bitch. So I cut it. Yeah, that's right, I cut it. Cut it with a cut-off tool. Yeah. No, so I cut it off, and I mean, yeah, don't modify the safety stuff on your things, but I mean, I'm not really worried about that because it's still got more meat than the normal guards. The normal guards only come out, they don't even have this little lip on them, so don't go judging me in the comments. I see you there. So I think that kind of concludes our cutty boys and grindy stuff. Oh, you got the fuel one too, but yours is all f***ed up. Just so happens they have a grinder. And is it a fuel? Oh, it is a fuel. Oh no, your guys it's in way worse shape. That's why I like the little locky switch on here. I don't like the paddle switch. I don't know. The paddle switch is for auto body guys, I think. I don't know, because I'm not an auto body guy and I chose to have a locky switch. I like this because you lock it on and then you can, like I said, you can live dangerously with that. So, you can reach into places while it's running. Got a nice little thin cut-off disc on there. And you can make one of those cool trendy TikTok videos where the guy has the cutoff wheel sticking out of his glasses. Oh, that's real. Yeah, let's show you guys the wear. Back to the wear. I don't know if is that a good angle for it? Kind of shows the metal casting and stuff on these. You can kind of see all the chippy chips. But I don't know, they get beat up, they get used when you actually work with them every day, because, you know, when this isn't being thrown in the dirt, it's thrown in my truck and it bounces around in there. So, I don't know, it's the nature of the beast. Let's move on. Okay, where are we at? I'm sitting. Okay. Greasy boy! What the fuck? That's not mine. What? That's not mine. We're cutting the drywall out on a 966 or on a D8.